So let's be real here. One, you're busy, you're smart, you've got something valuable to say. But when it comes to LinkedIn, so the entire thing feel like a mystery. So one day you post, there is zero likes, nobody likes the post. The next one, someone is telling you, I did the same thing and then I went viral. Sometimes when you look at your content, you experience a whole bunch of inconsistency, and even sometimes you look so invisible on LinkedIn. And sometimes you don't even have time to post every day. So because that will have to be the mantra, like what a lot of influencers will tell you to do. But the thing is this, you are not trying to become an influencer. You are trying to build authority. You want opportunities, not just attention, right? And you want a brand that speaks even when you are offline. This is the strategy. Now, if what I'm explaining here sounds like you, then I think this course is exactly for you. Now, let me introduce you to something that I call the AI powered LinkedIn branding for busy professionals. So, this is a 10-day live training, and it's going to be something that will give you experience that you can now have the opportunity to build a high impact LinkedIn presence. It's a course that will help you to create content in minutes using AI, not in hours. You'll be able to get constant visibility even when you are working on a full-time job. And also, in this training, you are going to gain an understanding on how you can be able to grow your personal branding even without burning out or without thinking a whole bunch of how you're going to go about it. So this is not just about another kind of LinkedIn webinar I'm introducing to you. So this is the system that I use on daily basis to build my brand, to attract businesses, and then also to scale out reach, even while doing a 9 to 5 job. So you can see you're not alone. I also do 9 to 5 jobs. So if I can do that with my schedule, so I think you can do the same. So if we haven't met before, my name is Isaac Ochulo. I'm a digital transformation strategist, and then also with about 17 years of experience across industries. I have helped train thousands of people globally in the area of AI, digital transformation, and then also on how to build branding. I'm the founder of Link Cohort, a LinkedIn engagement community for professionals, so which I believe you're going to be part of at the end of this program. So I also found Grandstand AI. So this is a company where we build automations, AI automations for companies and businesses. So if you can see all of this, you can understand that I'm bringing the exact experience or the same framework I used to grow my presence and also these businesses inside a 10-day immersive experience for professionals like you. So you can see I'm not just talking about story here. This is what I do every day, and I'm going to teach you how you can be able to do that too. That's for sure. So the question is, what exactly is it in this 10-day program? Let me give you a bit of the highlights of what you are going to expect at the end of this program. In day one, we are going to take a look at what we call the AI-driven LinkedIn era. Of course, because we have to start with clarity. We need to understand why visibility has changed and how you can position yourself as a trusted voice in the AI age. Now in day two, we are going to talk about the AI visibility formula. So here, you'll be able to learn the system that will keep you top of mind on LinkedIn. So even if you post once in a week, that's for sure. So on day three, we'll take a look at the profile optimization. So we'll optimize your profile with AI. Here we are going to rework your headline, your about sections, your messaging, using AI, and your profile completely is going to sell without you saying a word. So on day four, we're going to do what we call comment domination with the 3C framework. So here you'll be able to grow your reach and influence just by commenting. I'm not talking about just commenting the smart way. And this is going to be with AI prompts and my proven 3C methods. On day five, we are going to jump into what I call the hook-driven post writing with AI. So here you'll be able to write posts that stops the scroll. It's going to be in your voice. It's going to be like kind of your story using the plug and play AI template, which I will provide for you. So on day six, we are going to take a look at what I call the comment to content conversion. So here, I will teach you how you can be able to turn replies and DMs into original content. So this is how, of course, thought leaders, scale without stress. So that you're going to learn. Day 7, we're going to talk about how to automate your post ideas using AI. So we'll build your personal brand idea, what I call the idea bank. So here you'll be able to have weeks and weeks of generated content, which in minutes we are going to do that. So day 8 is going to be emotional intelligence storytelling with AI. Here we are going to craft human posts with AI, add empathy, depth, and personality that actually connects. So by day 9, this is where we do what we call repurpose, plan, and automate. So one post will become 5, right? So we'll show you how you multiply and schedule all your posts for weeks in advance without burning out. So day 10, of course, is going to be your launch day where you're going to launch your brand system. On this day, you're going to walk away with a full 30-day brand calendar, having access now to the Link Cohort Challenge. So we're going to completely invite you specially to the Link Cohort community where you will start your journey, in LinkedIn. So here is the part that surprises most people. So they're saying like the entire 10-day program, including the live sections, we're going to have replays, we're going to have templates and access to the challenge just for $30. Yeah, I'm sure that's less than most people spend on a lunch or even on a coffee, in a day. But what you are getting here is what I call a repeatable system. It's going to be a visibility engine for you. Is a LinkedIn presence that works while you focus on your real time or for your real job or your business, right? So if that sounds good and sounds interesting to you, enrollment is completely limited. Take action because I want to keep this round personal, high impact, and then also completely interactive. So if you're ready to stop winging, if you are ready to stop winging on LinkedIn, if you want a real system, if you want to use AI the right way to grow your brand, this is the moment. So you can read the rest of the content on this for this offer. Click the link. I would like you to join the training and let us build your LinkedIn brand together. So to make sure that the right people will be able to see what you have to offer. So if that sounds good, great. Welcome, and then I will see you on the inside.